Hello friends, today's recipe is spicy sausage. We need sausage for this recipe and I have taken frozen one. I prefer frozen sausage for this recipe. Our other ingredients are, we need 1 medium sized onion sliced, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, 2 to 3 green chilli, 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup, handful of coriander finely chopped and 1 tablespoon Patak Masala. So this is my frozen sausage. So first I'll unpack this. I'm just cutting the wrapper out of it and getting the sausage out. It's been an hour since I have taken this out of the freezer so that it gets defrost a bit before we start cooking. So this is our sausage. So first we'll cook our sausage. To cook the sausage, we'll put the sausage into boiling water and slowly the sausage will boil and it will get separated, and almost it will get double into the size. So once it's almost separated and it's almost double the size, then we know that the sausage is cooked and we'll take it off. So now our sausage is cooked and now we will start the preparation for our spice. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan, and once the oil is heated, we'll add 2 to 3 cloves of garlic finely chopped. We'll saute the garlic for just a minute and then we will add our 1 tablespoon of Patak Masala. I'm a big fan of Patak Masala. It's a cooked masala and it has tons of flavor in it, and it's very easy to make dishes with this because it's a masala which is already cooked. Just saute the masala with the garlic just for a minute and then we can add our sliced onions. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. We will cook our onion until it's soft and it's While our onion is cooking, we'll chop our sausage into small pieces. If you are using fresh sausages, then please skip the process of boiling the sausage. Either you can grill the sausage nicely and then add into spices, or you just cook a bit more with the spices and let it cook nicely. It's been 3 to 4 minutes. My onions are cooking well. At this point, now I'll add my chopped green chilies and coriander to add the flavor in the spice. My onions are looking good. It is nicely blended with the spice, and now we'll add our sausage. With the sausage, we'll cook for 2 to 3 minutes, sauteing quite frequently, and just make sure that the spice is coated well with the sausage. Just for 2 to 3 minutes, we'll cook it properly. As you can see, it looks nicely sauteed. Now we'll add our last ingredient, which is a tomato ketchup. I have taken hot and sweet tomato ketchup. You can have of your own choice and according to your spice buds. At this point, please do check the salt, and if you need it, do add it. Just saute for a minute or two and it will be done. As you can see how nice, colorful and tempting it looks, and it tastes wonderful. Our spicy sausage is ready to serve now. Please do give it a try to this easy, quick dinner recipe. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.
싶어 When you ring my valentine